If you got the DTF X Tool apparel printer, look, I'm about to put y'all on, all right? If you are having problems with humidity, this is the Vivo Sun Grow Tent. When I tell y'all it is huge, it is huge. It is 60 inches by 60 inches by 80 inches tall. It's an inch short on each side, so that leaves it as 59 by 59 by 79. But just for size reference, I'm 6'3", I'm standing next to it, and I still have headroom, all right? On the front side, you got this window. I like to just roll it up and then attach it like that. And then that way you can be able to look inside and just look all around. And with the light that I have up in the corner and the reflective inside, that light is able to reflect off of everything. So you get like maximum light exposure. So let's talk about your points of entry. So right here, you're gonna have this double zipper cover / door that's on the front where you can just unzip it and just walk through the front. And then on the left side and the right side, they do mimic each other. That top part is an exhaust vent. Then you have this door cover right here. And then you have another exhaust vent that's down here at the bottom. And then you have this screen style exhaust vent where when you lift this up, it's a screen where, you know, air can go in and out. We don't really mess with this with DTF unless you want, you know, something that's blowing from the inside, outside, or whatever you want, all right? So from here, you got the back side. That's another exhaust vent at the top, and you got another exhaust vent at the bottom. And then we're gonna go inside the side door, and I'm gonna show y'all how it look in here. Look. When you step in here, you have enough room for everything on the left side, right side, everywhere. Right now it's at 20% humidity, but I'm gonna show y'all how I fix that in a hot second. Over here on this side, you have a pocket where you can put extra supplies in there just in case you need to. And then yeah, it's really big up in here. This right here is how I fix my humidity. This is an evaporative humidifier. I will link this inside my bio so you can just cop this off of Amazon. Right here is the humidity after I put this in and I have it closed for a set amount of time. It's at 44% and it normally just stays at that. Now here's a test video. If you leave that front cover off, you'll see as I'm talking, the percentage is decreasing. But then when I close that door and then you look at it on this next part right here, it is not moving at all whatsoever. All right, so this thing is super airtight. Nothing comes in, nothing goes out. I only have my humidifier cut on once every 2 hours for like 1 or 2 minutes, and that's all I need. So from here, let's go ahead and unzip this cover, and then we're gonna step inside. So, like I said, it's gonna be really big. You have enough room for all your stuff. You're gonna have your printer, your oven, your air purifier, and your humidifier all inside this thing. And here's another quick view just from left to right of everything that I have set up. The humidifier came in there a little later, but that's what's gonna be down in the lower left-hand corner of the tent. And it also comes equipped with a spill floor cover because you never know what's gonna happen for real. Ultimately, it's only 4 things. So if you need the link to the tent, the hygrometer, the humidifier, and the light, I'll have that link posted up above in the bio. Follow me for more content.